Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing L'Oreal's Infallible 3-second setting mist. This is what it looks like. It will not focus. There we go. I heard a lot of good things about this on like TikTok, so I thought that I would review it for you guys. Just an FYI, this product was sent to me by L'Oreal, so thank you so much L'Oreal for sending me this product. So as you guys can tell, my makeup is done. This is like basically like my everyday makeup routine. The only step that I haven't done is setting spray, which is what we will be, doing together. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a review for you guys / a wear test, because the last time I did a video like this, you guys seem to really enjoy it. So I thought that I would do it for you guys again in this video. So I'm planning on heading to a coffee shop and then also getting a little like workout in. I'm not gonna do anything too rigorous. So let's see if this setting spray actually holds up. Apparently it's supposed to last. On the bottle it says right here. It's like not focusing, it's focusing on my face. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see that, but basically it says that it's supposed to last up to 36 hours. So I'm not going to be having my makeup on for that long. I'll probably have my makeup on for about 8 to 12 hours. So we will see if this holds and if it could last through a workout as well, like a light workout. So yeah guys, so we are just gonna give this a try. So the instruction says to shake it before using it, and then you're supposed to hold it, I believe, like 3 inches away from your face and then actually spray it. And I believe it sprays for like 3 seconds as well. So it's really cool the way it like spritz onto your face. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So I'm gonna shake it up one more time. Just shake it up. And let's go ahead and spray. So I'm gonna hold it about 3 inches. I'm not really the best at math, but I'm just gonna hold it and then spray it on my face. So here we go. Oh my God, okay. So I sprayed it on my face. This is what it looks like. Spray a little bit more. Okay, so I sprayed it on my face. I feel like it got in my mouth a little bit, so just be careful. One thing I will say, it is a very powerful product. Just like the way like it sprays and all this stuff. So yeah, it's super powerful. So yeah, so I sprayed it. This is what it's looking like. But we will see how it lasts throughout the day. I'll like show you guys like little updates, like me at the coffee shop, and then like after my workout, see if it'll hold up through a sweat. But yeah, this is what it looks like. One thing, like I said, you have to be really careful with this product because it's super powerful. So yeah, so I am going to go ahead and go, and I will keep you guys posted on how the product lasts. All right, you guys, so I'm finally back from being out. I'm going to be giving you guys my final thoughts on this setting spray. So I really love this product. This is how my makeup looks. I did get a close-up shot, but this is what it looks like. I feel like it held up really good. The only thing is that my forehead got a little shiny, which is to be expected. I feel like the forehead and the nose always gets really shiny, but yeah, I mean, my forehead got a little bit shiny, but other than that, like everything else looks really good. I noticed my face looks really matte as well. Typically when I do my typical makeup routine and I use my normal setting spray, I'm usually like more shiny all over, but like I'm like really matte and everything just looks really like set and good. So that's just one thing that I noticed. Like I said, the only thing that is a little bit shiny is my forehead. So it held up pretty well. I even got a light workout and I didn't do anything crazy, and it lasted through that as well. So I thought that was really good. I'm not really a face sweater, so I think that kind of helped. I don't really sweat a lot on my face, so yeah, but still it held up really, really nice. If you guys are sensitive to scents, this product might irritate you because it has a really strong scent. I don't know like what it is or what ingredient is in it, but it has a very, very strong scent. This product reminds me of hairspray. The way that it sprays, the way that it smells, it just reminds me of hairspray. But it works really well. Also, I noticed it gave my skin kind of like a glow as soon as I sprayed it. So I don't know if that's something that, you know, everybody would like. It didn't bother me. I really like the product. It really lasted really well. I'm really surprised. I had it on for about 7 hours because I did my makeup at like 11, and then it's now like 7 p.m. So that might be 6 hours. I'm bad at math, but I've had it on for about 6 to 7 hours, and it's held up very well. Also, I did no touch-ups. The only thing that I did was put like a lip gloss, but other than that, I did absolutely no touch-ups, and this is what it looks like. They say that it's supposed to last 36 hours. I didn't get to test that out, but I did test it out for a long time, and yeah, I don't know if it's true, but it did last for a long time. I typically wear my makeup for 7 to 8 hours. So yeah, I feel like this would be perfect for like a night out or just every day. So it works really well. Definitely give this product a try. Thank you again, L'Oreal, for gifting me this product. I really enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.